Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. Your friend and finance guru Vishal Thakkar is back again with a very pertinent topic of discussion. So, are you an informed investor? Do you know that SEBI mandates every mutual fund to spend 2 basis points of its asset under management for investor awareness? What does it mean? It means that if the mutual fund is 1000 crores, then 2 crores every year they have to spend on investor awareness. Every year. And you are losing money in stock market, not knowing where to go, how to learn. All these programs are available to you free of cost. As an investor in every city, through mediums like YouTube, through people like us, SEBI and Indian government, along with AMFI, Association of Mutual Funds of India, spends a lot of money to make you aware on how to invest. Many rogue brokers and financial intermediaries are fined by Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange for their wrongdoings. Recently, RBI has fined many of the bankers for not following the SWIFT code. All these crores of rupees collected by the government, where does this money go? Do you know? All of this money collected by SEBI, RBI, BSE, NSE is deposited into investor protection and awareness funds. Every year they are mandated to spend this money to make you aware. In the description of this video, you will find links on how to access these investor awareness programs that are happening in a city near you. You can educate yourself not by investing money, but just by investing time. Remember, do not forget to watch our YouTube channel, and we will continue the commitment of providing investor awareness to you whenever you need, wherever you need. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Our channel, Finance Tube. My fans have literally forced me to simplify the latest and the most revenue generating tax law in the country today. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting GST for the layman. So if you are confused with how GST works and want to understand in a very simple language, this book is for you. Grab your copy today.